Guys, why are you waiting for me in the bathroom? That's a little bit weird, but I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to go over beard trimming options, and I'm going to show you my new favorite toy, the Stubble Buddy. Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel we cover a whole bunch of topics trying to elevate you to well-rounded status. Today we're going to go over beards like I mentioned before, and the kind folks over at Pete Pedro were cool enough to send me over the Stubble Buddy and a couple other beard tchotchkes, and I want to show you how to use them because having a beard is very important. You know, it's kind of like makeup for us guys. So if it's kept properly, if it's not kept properly, you can look like a savage, and we definitely don't want you to look like a savage. So I'm in desperate need of a trim, and we're going to get that going and show you how to use this stuff. First thing I want to show you guys is this very cool scissors set that Pete and Pedro has now. Ooh, isn't it pretty? You get two pairs of scissors, perfect for trimming. Now, one is like your standard point. It's good for like mustache hair. And I want to show you guys this. Even though I'm going to be using a trimmer, I want to show you what you can do like during the week if your mustache overgrows your lip. As you can see, mine is starting to do that now. And you're going to have to do this like maybe if your facial hair grows really fast, you know, maybe midweek, you know. So you just want to kind of go over it and trim until it's not covering your lip. Like I said, I'm really not going to go over this too much more because I'm just going to use my trimmer. So while this scissors has the normal point that we're all used to, this one has a dull point on it. It's a blunt nose scissors. So that's for your nose hairs. So you can get up in there and trim your nose hairs or your ear hair without stabbing yourself, because if you use these scissors, you will make a bloody mess, and you don't want to do that. Now, I much prefer, as I drop it, my nose hair trimmer from Pete and Pedro. This is also offered there. And you guys can get 10% off with our discount code, WellRounded10. But I figured I would just show you the different options that you have. You may like doing it this way. You know, there's a lot of people that like to use these scissors. They're sharp, they're awesome scissors. And you guys saw me use this comb with the scissors when I trimmed my mustache a minute ago. This is a very cool new product from Pete and Pedro. It's a pocket hair, beard, mustache comb. You can throw it in your pocket, take it with you. What's cool about this is just the versatility that you have. But for my guys that have patchy beards, it's always good to comb or brush your beard. Boar's hair brush is usually best, but a regular comb will do it too. Because when you're brushing your beard, you're stimulating it, you're bringing blood to your skin, and that will make your hair grow. So if you have a patchy beard or very little beard, brushing it will make your beard come in thicker. Everybody needs a beardscape in their arsenal. The Brio is one of the best in the market. I've talked to you guys about this before. It's got micro adjustments, a titanium rake, ceramic blade, and you can go a few millimeters down, a few millimeters up. What I'm going to do, I've got the 3 guard on there and I've got it down, so I'm probably going to give my beard a bit like a 5 millimeter trim right now. I always have my beard a little bit longer than my mustache. If you've eaten ice cream with a mustache, you know why. All right, so let's get started. Guys, a good tip is always make sure that you blend in your beard with your sideburns. So, beard and mustache done. Look at all that mess. So as you guys can see, I just made a huge mess while I was trimming my beard. And it's a problem that a lot of guys have had, but the guys over at Pete and Pedro have come up with the Stubble Buddy. The Stubble Buddy is the great product that will vacuum all this up and it'll be gone, so you don't have to worry about getting it down the drain or leaving it for your wife or girlfriend to do. You know, the easier option, the more mature, responsible option. Well, I guess we can take care of it. So, yeah, I want to show you guys how this works. So, you got your Stubble Buddy. You can see it's a little mini vacuum. And your hair get around the sink first. I used to have this problem all the time of like trying to figure out how am I supposed to clean up the sink. It was always a pain and always made me put off trimming my beard, and then it gets unsightly and nasty, and then I would always miss hair because it just flies when you cut it. You can see like all around here. Yeah guys, so when you even get your hair on the floor, Stubble Buddy takes care of it like a breeze. Now, you may have to take a couple passes, but not turn it off accidentally. So it's perfect for all your manscaping needs. So we used it for a dry trim. Do not use your Stubble Buddy with water. It's only meant to pick up dry hair. Last step, you need to condition your beard. This is something you should use every day. Beard oil. Pete and Pedro sent over their woodsy beard oil. This stuff is amazing. Every guy, no matter the length of his beard, in my opinion, should be using a beard oil. Whether you got stubble, whether you got a beard down to here like Santa Claus, whatever beard you have, you need to be using beard oil. It conditions it, it makes it softer. I have soft facial hair normally. This makes it even softer. You can't go wrong with it. For the length of my beard, I really don't need a lot. So just a couple dabs. You can see it's really not much. You're going to rub it. And then rub it in. Oh, it smells fantastic. And that's it, guys. That's all you really need to do. Now, if you have a longer beard, then I would recommend going with a beard balm. You can still use a little bit of beard oil, keep it hydrated, but you can go with a beard balm, which is kind of like hair product for your beard. You would just use a small amount and then emulsify, rub it through, and it'll give your beard a little hold. Because you've seen all the guys that are just letting their beard go all crazy and it's just branches out like a tree, and it's not attractive. You want to avoid that. So definitely invest in taking care of your beard with quality beard products, and you can't go wrong with Pete and Pedro with their beard oil, or with the scissors, the comb, and especially the Stubble Buddy to make your cleanup process a whole hell of a lot easier. Alright guys? And definitely, this stuff smells amazing. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up. I want to thank you for getting ready with me. My beard is all set. It's time to go slay some Foxy Dudettes. And I will catch you in the next one. Please be sure to check out Pete and Pedro and go pick up beard oil and the Stubble Buddy. You guys won't regret it. And use our discount code WellRounded10. It'll save you 10% off of all of our cool items that we featured here today. They'll be listed in the description. Also too, please check us out at thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 gets you 15% off of all of our merchandise. We got some pretty cool stuff. T-shirts, sweaters, leggings, all kinds of cool stuff. And we will catch you in the next one. Oh, also too, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You know, the typical YouTube things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. We will catch you next time, guys. I gotta go. See ya.